everybody, it's Jean here. I'm home, and you guys didn't even know we were away. Hopefully I'll be putting this up on Thursday. What's today's date? Today's Thursday, the 11th, I think it is, something like that. We just got home, and you guys didn't know I was away. We were just visiting for almost 5 days up our son's one of his vacation homes up in the Pocono Mountains. You've seen it before, and I had done a video last Sunday when we got up there, and I did a video this morning when we left, and I've taken some pictures. So anyway, I'm just going to be showing you a little bit of those pictures. Going up was horrible. Coming back was awesome. It took us 2 hours exactly, door to door. Unbelievable. But going up, I put the video up. I looked terrible. But coming home today, we had a lovely relax. It was wonderful with our son, daughter-in-law, 2 grandkids, and my brother Donald and his wife, and of course Maxwell, Ian, and I. It was just wonderful. Really, really lovely. Lovely vacation time up near Lake Wallenpaupack. So this little video is just that and a few pictures of family. You guys, you know I love family. My last rowing along with Jean quilt project was my pinwheel quilt. This is just a little heads up. My next little project is going to be my little tulip block. I was telling you, the little 9-inch tulip block, how I'm going to do it, but that's to come. I already have that in my camera. I have to edit that, so that will be my next video. I've made 4 tulip blocks, okay? But right now, I just wanted to, again, sharing is caring. I just wanted to, first of all, acknowledge everybody's comments. I was away and did not have my master computer with me, but I do have an app. But I didn't want to start answering comments, but I'm going to take the time in the next couple days to talk to you guys and answer your comments, and thank you so much. So if I have been a little bit quiet answering, you must forgive me, because we were away and I was relaxing. But also, I just wanted to share a couple things with you. I've gotten a few more photographs of people and a few more photographs of people's projects. And I think you guys like that, so I'll just take 10 minutes or so and show you Amalia. Okay, you know who you are, Amalia. There's not a picture of Amalia, but there is a picture of her quilts, and I'm going to put that up. Amalia, hi Jean. Since you inspired me, I thought I would try my hand at a handkerchief quilt. Using vintage hankies and white vintage percale sheets for sashing, and also floral vintage sheets for backing. I added lace accents in between the blocks. I used the quilt as you go method. Thank you for introducing me to rounded corners. I love them. Also, the idea for using rickrack. So, what do you think? Do you approve? Love, Amalia. Stay well. I approve heartily, Amalia. Absolutely beautiful. In fact, for a second, I thought that was my quilt. Thought you came and took my quilt away. So everybody, this is Amalia. I'm sure you'll love her handkerchief quilt, rickrack, and rounded corners and all. Well done, Amalia. So here's another one. Oh, unbelievable. This is my sister in our religion, Terry. And Terry, you know who you are. Hi, Jean. Just wanted to share. I decided to go for it and make the Elephant's Abstraction by Violet Craft. That's a paper piece, foundation piece project that I've made. Cheryl, my elephant, my quilt that I made up. That I did sort of a tutorial on how I was doing the project. So Terry followed along the process as I did. My biggest issue was deciding and then placing the colors. The pattern is very well written, but I couldn't tell what colors went where. But I did it, so here it is. No name yet for her elephant. Still working on that important name. I wanted him to look like the Indian elephants with all the jewels on it. Interesting. Now the bigger issue, how to quilt it. There are so many different things I have seen people to do on their elephants. So again, I have to charge up the brain power and make a decision. This is a very popular pattern. Once you make the pattern and you see it, quite a lot of people, if you just look it up online, quite a lot of people have made this Elephant Abstractions quilt from Violet Craft. It's a pattern. I sort of embellished mine, and it was in a quilt show actually. Anyway, thank you for showing how you did yours. I bought the digital pattern so I could do this again and not have to worry about printing. I made this one at 60%, and so it's still 38 by 45-ish. Mine was much larger. Oh, and I don't know how you did this, Terry. I didn't sew through my papers. I taught myself to sew right next to the papers, off the end. Oh, off the stitch line, and it works very well. So technically, I can use the papers again if I want to. I couldn't imagine ripping all those papers off at the end. Yeah, I know, it's a pain in the butt. That fixed the problem. I'm attaching another foundation paper piece project that I did. I couldn't figure out where I could post it on Facebook, so I'll just attach it. And these are more Violet Craft. I believe they're Violet Craft. Her lion and her leopard, I'm thinking, but I have it on my computer. I'll upload it right after this. Thanks again. P.S. You may share and show if you like. I do need permission to share, so thank you. She's all pin-basted. Give me strength. Hug and love to you, all of you. Stay well. Your sister in the faith, Terry. Terry, thank you so much, because the Violet Craft patterns are not for beginners. They're not for the faint of heart, but we got them. We did them. We did them. Super, super. Oh, this is Oh, this is a real quick one from Lucy Badley. You know who you are. Dear Jean, I've been watching your videos for years now. I first discovered you when looking up my then new machine, the same as yours, my Juki TL. I too do free motion quilting on mine. Here's my photo. How lovely. My photo is the one on the left with my 3 daughters. I grew up in a family with 7 children here in Oxford, England. Much love, Lucy. So Lucy is on the left of this picture with her 3 beautiful daughters. Thank you so much, Lucy. Nice to put a face to the name. So much, Lucy. Now here's one more I have from Sharon, and she's Shaz Book Owl on YouTube. Shaz Book Owl. So if you see her comment, this is Sharon. She sent a picture of a montage of quilts that she has made. Hi Jean, I'm a fairly newbie quilter. Only started, in December of 2022, making a simple square block quilt for my grandson. Best way to start quilting. Sew a bunch of squares together. That's what I always say. I'm now up to 7 quilts. Flippin' heck, you're doing good. During the making of my second quilt, a sampler for my camper, I found your YouTube channel. It was then I watched your video on using rounded corners, and I knew that was the way to go for me. I love my rounded corners. Now I always use rounded corners and get lots of comments how great they look. So thank you for sharing that knowledge. I think I only shared that knowledge because I didn't know how to do the other way. I'm excited to be joining your row along. I may copy verbatim some of your rows. Yeah, go for it. And then off on my own tangent on some. I love that that is what we'll be able to do. I'm sharing a montage of photos. A picture of myself in March 2023 at my sewing machine. I was recovering from COVID-19 and that's why I look so tired. Oh, tell me. I still look tired and I've fully recovered from COVID-19. But quilting, so I was in a happy place. Yeah, the others are quilts I've made using your rounded corner method. Oh, I'm so happy to be part of the Jean Truelove Quilts for You YouTube community. Oh, Sharon, Shaz Book Owl, we are very happy to have you. And then one more here, and this is from Debbie Thibault, Thibault, T-H-E-B-E-A-U, Thibault. Oh, Jeanette LeFive looked like Jeanette LeFlibble. So Debbie Thibault. Hi Jean, sorry, I mangled your name. Sorry. I've been a loyal follower for years. Love your family and your quilts. Here's a pic so you can put a face to my name. Can't wait for the row quilt to begin. This was sent before. My row quilt has begun. And as I said, this is my second block to come, a little tulip block. I said I've made 4 of these. My blocks are getting smaller. I have actually done two more projects, 2 more bits on my row by row quilt. I was really busy last week doing that because I did know we were going away. So whatever, we went away, we are home, we are rested. It was just so lovely. And again, you must excuse my appearance after. I shouldn't put it up because I was a mess driving, going up there and then coming home. We've just driven home, and I wanted to acknowledge all of your lovely comments and the row along project that people are doing, either my big blocks or my small blocks, or making it their own. It's just really lovely. So anyway, I'm just gonna attach these. I'm just going to attach some pictures of our little vacation that we had away. And again, it's our, I'll put the thing, it's number 6 son and daughter-in-law and my brother Donald. My brother Donald. I had 5 brothers. 1 brother died, Warren died, but I have 4 living brothers, Kenneth, Wayne, Scott, and Donald. And Donald is just right above me. And we have a lovely time together, he and his wife Patty. So anyway, I'll just put those few pictures up, and again, I will be back fairly soon to do my tulip block. I hope you enjoy tuning in to see how I made that step by step, and I repeat myself a million times. Anyway, lovely to see you folks. I hope you've all had a lovely time. We did. It was wonderful. And thanks again for all your support. All right, love from the True Loves. See ya. Hi everybody, good afternoon. This is Jean here. I'm not in Kansas anymore. Oh, just got out of the car. About a 3.5 hour journey. It should have taken 2 hours. We went the scenic route. That's okay. Up to our son's house up in the mountain here in the Pocono Mountains. It's so lovely. Good morning, everybody. This is Jean here. I think I look a little bit more rested than when I filmed before, when we first came a few days ago. Oh, it's a grueling journey, and it shouldn't have been. Shouldn't have been. Darn those Google Maps. But, oh, we've had such a lovely time. We've had such a lovely time. Our number 6 son, Jean-Pierre, and his wife Caitlin, and their babies Warren and Arabella had joined us, along with my brother Donald and his wife Patty. It was so lovely, really lovely. It's been so nice. All right, we'll see you later. Love from the Trueloves. Bye.